Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys two platforms where you can start making money by teaching English online. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys another platform where you can get a free TEFL certificate. Now, without wasting any more time, if you're new to the channel or happen to view this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Now, for the first platform, we're going to be looking at a platform called Magic Ears. Here, as you can see, it says you have the magic, we have the students. You can earn up to $26 per hour on this platform. You can also come and read more about the company right there. Some of the reasons you might want to sign up to this platform is because they will provide you with free training, they have instant booking, and they've got a linen cancellation policy. You can also apply for secondary positions. You're going to work at your own flexible hours. You can also come and see what other teachers had to say about the platform and also get some encouragement right there. For you to get started, you simply come here to where it says become a hero. You're going to enter in your email address, your password. You can also enter a referral code if you have one, and then click teach now. I'm going to sign into my account so that I can show you how it looks like once you are inside. After signing up, I am then prompted to a page like this one. The first step, you will need to enter in your basic information. That will take 2 minutes of your time. Step number 2, they will require you to do a mini demo, a live interview, and a recorded demo. Step number 3, you will go through a trial demo that will take 20 minutes of your time. Step number 4, you will be doing material collection. So this is the material you will be using to be teaching. And then step number 5 is where you sign the contract. That will take 5 minutes of your time. As you can see, they already have March slots open, so you can come here, sign up, and start preparing for your classes. Here is where they explain the difference between a live demo and a recorded demo. So you can simply come here to find more information on that. They also have a recorded demo example so you know what is expected of you. Please allow 1 to 2 business days for your results. You can also check your spam folders to see if they have not responded to you. You can get the link for this platform down on the description box. And for the second platform, we've got this platform right here called Schema Talk. So on Schema Talk, you're going to teach English online from anywhere in the world. So this means that this is a worldwide platform. Some of the benefits working with this platform is that you're going to set your own schedule. You're going to work from anywhere as long as you've got a computer and a strong internet connection. Some of their top teachers earn up to $1,000 each month, and you're going to have fun working with interesting students all over the world. Some of their requirements is that you should be a native English speaker. Professionalism is one of their top priorities, and when it comes to experience, here they say prior teaching experience is preferred but not required. So even if you don't have prior experience, you can still apply on this platform. If you have any other question, you can simply visit their FAQ section or send them an email right there. For you to get started, you simply come here to where it says apply now. You will be prompted to a page where you simply need to put in your email address and a couple of details so that you can get started. So guys, if you find value in this video, kindly give it a like. And for the last platform, we've got this platform right here called Teacher Record. This is where you're going to get your free accredited TEFL certificate. As you can see here at the bottom, it says the TEFL certificate Teacher Record is at no cost and will be permanently valid. It is 100% free permanently, so you won't pay anything for the certificate. So the certificate is downloadable. I'm not really sure if you want the hard copy. You can simply come to the FAQ section and also contact them to see if you can get the hard copy, but the downloadable version is absolutely free. So I want to log into my account so that I can show you all the necessary steps that you need to take in order for you to get started. And then after signing in, you are then going to be prompted to a page like this one. You need to click on certificates and select TEFL certificate. As you can see, I've already completed the course. I've finished the test. I'm at step number 4 for identity verification. My status is still under review because I recently sent in my details. So I'll have to wait 5 to 10 working days after submission. So once I reach step number 5, I'll give you guys an update. You can also get the link for this down on the description box so that you can get started. Thank you very much for watching.